Hello, my name is Tok. I just would like to introduce you about my country, Thailand, and now I live in Bangkok. I'm gonna give you some tips or some place that or the food or something in general about Thailand, and maybe you will have some idea in case you like to travel here. So hope you enjoy later on with my videos and see you for the next time. Bye bye.
Hello. So now we are still at the Luang Rama night in another spot of the flower. You see in front of you is the pink flower called dragon rose. So and then further down they have another different color as well, but they try to make it like a triangle shape. It's look very beautiful. So we're gonna go next to another kind of a flower. So let's see what it's called. Basically, even me, I don't have much knowledge about the flower, but most of the flower here, they when they plant it, they will put the sign, a small sign to show you what the name is. So now you can see more like a kind of bright pink color. So I don't think it's a dragon rose, but I try to look for the sign to see. Oh, I found one now. It's called, I can't see properly. It's called pink mag pink magic. That is a bit like wow, pink magic. And then another one with which is like a kind of a light red color of the flower. Maybe someone of my viewers knows about that already, but we will see. We will find. It's like a kind of a game now to find out where is the sign is. So we come to the next one, the white one, but unfortunately the red one I don't see the sign yet. Maybe we have to. It's like a kind of scavenger hunt. We look for it and we will see where is the sign is. So anyone who knows it, maybe give me the name in under my video in the comment. So it will be grateful. Let's see. I still cannot find it, but I think it's very nice here. So let's check. Oh dear, I can't see any yet. So we can go further down there and more like a kind of a purple flower there. But I think some maybe like a lavender, which I'm not 100% sure, but look far from here, look like that. But this one is, I don't know what it's called. Normally they should have the small sign or plant to tell us what the name of the flower that they plant here in the park called. Yeah, I still don't see it yet. So never mind. Maybe we can come for the game like what color is it? Purple for the children to try on. So let's check. And then we walk deep down again, further down to see what it is. So now is you can see also some of the people come here for relax and chill out and also take a photo because now like everyone want to be a YouTuber or influencer. They come here to take some nice shot here. So anyway, I hope you see the vibe around here and the environment and atmosphere, how relaxing it is and tranquility and very nice for the botanical garden here. So I hope you enjoy it and see you for the next time. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching my videos, and if you have any comment or any idea or anything that you would like to know about Thailand or Bangkok, just let me know. I will try to find the answer for you. And it will be great if you can support my channel by press the like or give me the subscribe. So it will be help to and support my channel. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye.